All right, we're here.
Whose camera's that?
We're here, it's mine.
Oh, you gotta
I'm filming, yeah.
God.
It's not mine, it's actually Clark's. Over here at the big open house, and it is crazy. I've been working I'm so busy, I have no time to do anything, but now I'm trying to chill now. Finally starting to get back in the swing of things, but got all the drift cars over here, my car's over here. You know, typical drift stuff. What up? And got Tommy's new car, I got a bunch of chasers. Got the local OSW drift guys over here. Got Alan's car, got my car, got his car. Oh my God, what in the Christ is that noise? But it's an awesome time. There's like 2,000 plus people there. You just had to close down the road. It's crazy, but now I'm finally filming. I've been out of the loop, I'm sorry, but we're here. It's insane. All the cool cars are here. TJ's here, Ravi's here, Jimmy's here, Rutnick's here. Everybody's here, but it's awesome. See, everywhere I go, I put you to work, Clark.
Yeah, well.
You know, we work normally, and then
we come here and we do
and you work.
Same thing. Yeah, we just do nothing.
And you get. Well, it's a good cause. We got Tiffany
I mean,
here.
this is something. But
Look at all these toys. Oh my God! Look at all these people. It's crazy. Look at all these people. It's literally insane.
Hey Alberto, can you chill with the two-step just for a little bit so I can talk?
Look at the trailer. We have, oh my God, we have literally stacks and stacks of toys. When they, oh my God, look at this. When they said like fill the whole trailer, I was like, yeah, right, ain't gonna happen. And literally the whole trailer is literally becoming full. This is literally insane. Like it's stacking to the roof, full of toys. This is so awesome. Crazy. What up? You're back in Florida.
I am.
I'm happy you're here.
I am, but without my car.
I know, it's okay.
It's alright.
But it's a lot warmer though, right?
Oh, is it warmer?
Dude, I was in Colorado for like a week and it was cold, and now I'm happy to be back here. So we're good. Yeah. But this is awesome.
Ready?
It's going great.
42 and pouring at home right now.
No, look at this. Well, it's
69.
It was sunny, but now it's kind of cloudy. But that's Florida for you.
It's warm.
But I'm glad you're
for
here.
me, at least.
Yeah, yeah. Cool.
Is it warm for you?
No, this is nice. This is perfect. It's just an Evo, guys. Doesn't matter. It's not rear-wheel drive. I mean, it's not, yeah. All right, so it's the first time the S15 is on my channel, and this thing is literally crazy. This is okay. I know I'm friends with Adam and stuff, but like, this is exactly what I would do if I were to build an FD car. And this thing is absolutely insane. Oh my God, it's literally beautiful. Every inch of it. I try to find something wrong with it, not in a bad way, but like you can't find anything wrong with this car. It is amazing. Rear mount. It is winner's quick change. Just amazing. I can't say I'm jealous, but I am because it's a lot of money. But like this thing, 3580 something RS turbo, I forgot what it is. But this thing made 900 horsepower without spray. Without spray, 900 horsepower. Just gorgeous. The last time I saw this car, it was literally completely stock, and now it is literally the most beautiful car I've ever seen. And this is Trevor's Supra that I got nice and clean for him this morning. It's nice and clean now. Say what's up. It's Trevor. He's a Jay-Z god in my opinion. Gorgeous, fully restored Supra. It is amazing.
I just have a pink one.
It was really dirty when I got here, but I took care of him, so now it looks good and shiny. All right, guys, Taylor actually did the LS swap. He would tell me for months and months and months, and I had faith in him, but like he never did it, but now he really did it, and they got the car painted. It is awesome. I think Bodie Vision, ever have you say, painted this in this gorgeous like mural looking thing on the roof. Full all new interior. It's so sick. CD09, which is dope. And I'm really stoked for him that he finally built this car. It's awesome. This is an SR and a Miata? That's sick. That's so wild to see that. That fits pretty well actually. Wow, that's dope. And of course, my favorite person here, David Patterson. He is awesome. He's down to earth, and he's just an all-around cool guy. The cars he builds are awesome as well. And sadly, his Jay-Z blew up, but it'll be back soon. This car is always reliable, so he's over there with fans. You know, being David, being sweet, being nice, looking low-key. You know, just David. All right, so the S13 is literally finally back. We got this back this morning, assembled it here, kind of got it done in time. I'm really shocked we got it done in time, but like, damn, it fits so good. The paint looks good. Randy did a great job from Swap Performance. The wheels, the fitment, it's perfect as always. All Adam's cars are perfect, but now I gotta ceramic coat this again. It's new paint, so I gotta coat the whole entire car again and polish it. But we literally just got this car back like 9 a.m. this morning, and we got it done and set up so everybody can see it. It's awesome. Also, this is the new LZ warehouse that we rebuilt and made it ours. It looks great. Got new lighting in here. Got the new wall painted and got all the banners up for the open house. New cabinets. Nice and organized. So everything is just perfect for us. And all the trophies and stuff that he's won. Just awesome. But the wheels, the CR Kais look amazing. You know, this car really needed to change. I didn't like the white wheels that much, but this looks much better to me. It looks much more aggressive. It matches with the cage. It just looks perfect, and I love it. Hopefully my car will look this good one day, but I just kind of drive mine and don't really make it look good. I'll make it look good soon, but you know. And now, of course, we have TJ's RX-7 that I spent like 3 to 4 hours detailing yesterday, sorry. And yeah, I spent like 3 or 4 hours detailing this yesterday, inside and out. He's never had it detailed ever. It was open car trailed across the country, so it was totally filthy, and I made it look nice for him. But if you guys haven't known, I've spent the last probably 2.5 to 3 days straight detailing all the cars, making sure it looks good for Adam, everybody can see, because I hate when there's bad cars, you know, looking crappy. But funny enough, PSI is right here, there's a bunch of nice BMWs, and my customer, Dr. Wong, his car is actually right here, and you know, it's showmified because it's shiny, it's ceramic coated, and it's beautiful, and it's just great. But all these people are here. We got Gringos Tacos and Beefies over there. But yeah, like I said, I just got to the camera. I had 2 videos filmed like last week. I had no time to edit them. I was busy working my full-time job, and I came straight here and did all this stuff. So now I'm finally getting back to, you know, YouTube and all that stuff. But I'll get some content for you guys today.
Why would you do that? What's up?
Hey, this is not your music. Where's your Jamaican stuff? Your
I don't know. I'm about to tell the DJ to like switch it up.
Alright guys, we have the 2019 OSW Drift schedule. There's some really cool stuff coming up, which is the Ride Along Orama, which sounds really awesome. Can you explain it really quick?
Ride Along Orama is for all of our fans and people that come to the track that may not personally know drifters, where they can like go up to the bike and go, hey, can I get a ride with you? So this event, we'll have all of our A-class guys and our cage drivers actually will be lined up, and you can buy a ticket for, we don't know what the price is going to be, but it's going to be affordable, to where you can go and you can get a ride on track in a drift car.
Awesome.
So if you don't personally know people to be able to, or you're shy.
Yeah, a lot of drivers are like, you know, I'm trying to drive, but like now people are like, get an actual experience of drifting, which is awesome. So let me see, I can go over that much. I saw that, but awesome events. I mean, if you haven't, what is that? Drift in theater. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, sick.
Like a 30-foot tall screen.
Sweet.
In the oval, watching that.
But like, if you're driving twice a month or like once a month, you're gonna progress fast, which is awesome. I'm glad I have the advantage of OSW in my life. So thank you, Tyson. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Cool. Oh my God, it's still growing. You guys have not stopped all fucking day. Dude, like literally stacking toys. If we like didn't stack, the whole thing would be full. You would not be able to walk back here.
The whole floor would be covered.
This is amazing. Like, so we had 2,000 wristbands this morning, and now they are all literally gone. So there's probably about 3,000 to 5,000 or 6,000 people here, which is amazing. Thank you guys for all these toys. Thank you, Clark, for helping. All the volunteers, Gringos is here, all the YouTubers. It's an awesome cause, bunch of fun. But the day is still young, and we're about to announce the raffle giveaways, but the toys will still be coming in, which is awesome. So thank you guys. The day's finally dying down. People are still here. I'm really fucking tired. Like, I've been here for like 2 days straight. We got Joey here. Hi, Joey. Say hi, Joey.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Well, I'm trying to save my energy for tonight to have some fun, and then get coffee and drink something good. Now we got these stock cars doing this stuff. But it's been a good day, guys. It's been a good day. Lee! You're gonna kill him, bro. You're gonna kill him. They have no idea. They have no idea. They have no idea. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Jimmy, you're gonna die, Jimmy. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. What I say? I told you. Oh my God, dude. Yes! Yes! Yes, dude! God! Bro, your face is like, don't blow up, don't blow up, don't blow up, don't blow up. Wait! Okay. What happened? What happened? What happened?
Hey, it ain't the boy to it.
Oh boy. Got some super pretty cars. Look at this S50. Oh wait, S14.5? Yeah, this thing is gorgeous. Oh, SR. That's a nice SR. This thing's pretty though. God damn. This is the color I want for my 240. It's the exact color I want for my car. I think it's GTR gray, I'm pretty sure. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Bah! Yes, that is so clean. Look at the car it's in. Mint RX-7 with the JZ. You can't go better than that, honestly. That's the best. You can do this too, but like, that's what you want. Bye, Lee.
Later, Dustin.
Bye bye. Oh, I go for a ride. Oh boy. Yeah. Hey, why is this car so clean?
Oh, this guy.
Yeah, it's one guy named me. Yeah, I don't know. Imagine it got cleaned again. Alright, so I own these wheels, but I don't own these. These are my friend Paul's. Thank you, Paul, for letting me borrow these wheels. But dang, I really want to get RPF ones for my car now. God damn it. Oh shit, that looks so good. Oh yeah, I'm doing that. I'm about to order some right now. Damn, bro. I'm stoked. Even this fucking piece of shit bumper in my fucking car. This is not correct. This has to be nice. Okay. So Adam wants all the toys from the trailer. They're going to the warehouse and we formed like a human fucking worm to pass toys all the way back. Oh, look at this. This is awesome. There's literally like, what, 100 people here? Just passing toys? Passing toys all the way in here. This is hilarious. Alright, we're filling the vet. We're gonna fill in the vet with toys. Hell yeah, brother. So many freaking toys, bro.
Not to mention that pile.
Oh, crazy.
He totally got it.
Dude, don't crash in the toy.
So just got home from the open house, guys. That was way more than we expected. Like, we had 2,000 wristbands and we ran out of them in like 2 hours after we opened. So that means we easily had, I'd say, 3 to 5,000 people probably. It was insane. Like, we were doing like the two-step competition and all the revving, all that stuff. Dude, I literally could not move. I was submerged in people trying to help out and do what I can. But it was crazy. Thank you for everybody for coming. We literally had a trailer load of toys. Adam's like, I want to fill a trailer with toys. I was like, yeah, it could happen, but like, no, we literally filled the entire trailer with toys. Thank you for Clark and Tiffany for doing the tags, everybody. It was a lot of work. I know we weren't expecting that, but thank you guys. Thank you everybody for coming. Everybody putting on, especially Adam. You know, the awesome cause. All YouTubers coming out, bunch of fun. The 240 did great. I drove it for an hour. Total of 2 hours there and back with the only third through fifth gear, and had no issues. It drove like a dream. It drove actually amazingly on the highway, and yeah. But once again, I have some matching RPF ones. They're not mine, sadly. I want them so bad. My buddy Paul's. They let me borrow them for just the open house. I really want to get a set, guys. I want to do 18 by 10.5, not 17 by 9.5 or 9, whatever these are. But it still looks great. So I'm really feeling that. Like, I really want to get a pair that are actually mine. I'm sorry if I couldn't see you guys a lot. I was busting my ass, you know, working as fast as I can, being hectic, making sure everybody's good and taken care of, and just making sure everything is going smooth. But once again, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, do all that stuff. I'll see you guys soon. Hopefully some more content this week. I've been busting my ass working my full-time job and doing other stuff in life, so I'm gonna try to get my groove back into this stuff still so I can entertain you guys and have some fun. But peace out. See you guys later.